really, yeah, yep. Dapat tuha din akong gloves. I will wash my gloves. Junichi. What is the carrots? This is the carrots. A fresh carrots. Sagbot lang. What is the carrots? Small. Yes, and a small. This one is big. But it's good. It's rain last night. Then the soil is not.
Okay, yes. Okay, maybe that's
enough.
If somebody wants to
Yes.
take, so I don't need.
Okay.
So let's take these and then
Clean.
we'll eat.
I like carrots.
Yeah.
Can be eaten with this one.
Yes.
Can be eaten with
What?
With the Korea. The
can
skin.
be eaten right away.
Not, but here's multa on.
Yeah,
These are dirty.
yeah.
You must wash them.
Wash.
Yes.
You will have bacteria.
Yes. That's good.
Not good.
Yeah. But you just if you onko sankko?
Yes.
Ja sitten you
Hey.
can still wash that they are totally. What is that?
Oh, you leave one. Don't leave something.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So my carrots. Toot. Why you don't have kurku? Yeah, it's not. You make it soup.
Sorry.
Why you don't have kurku? Mm.
They are very small still.
Oh,
Maybe not growing.
same with my kurku. Yung batong nila guys, hindi on maganda ang tubo ngayon. Tingnan mo. Na hindi maganda yung tubo ng ano nila guys. Pero marami siyang parsley. Parsley. And the sunflower. The sunflower seeds is still not dry. Sipuli. Yeah, but the beans, this one is not good now. This. Yeah, because it's old already. Yeah. Okay. Naraw bagyo beans, gagmay pagit siya. Mami kata. Nami ba ni adobohon? Ha? Unsa? Isa kibahinon pa niya. Ang bira ng puti yung sudlanan biki butang og beans. Kani ba bagyo beans?
Yes.
Yeah. It's not good this year. Pagkibins tay. Pwede rin ni siya ko ano. Ha? Murag wala man at sila pumpkin karon. Oh, pangatan na siya. Na sila pumpkin. Kapalo mo siya. Si pumpkin. Dagan na kayo guys. Punta na siya. Nay pumpkin dito nga puti. Para sa una. Katong sa gawas. Very small. Kato bitaw ng puti nga itong gigis sa una. Wala kayong ko ano, langgam. Wala kayong langgam. Saan mo to siya? Ayaw siya makita. Siya makita guys eh. Kurpitsa. Di pa man tumubo. Ay, hindi pa kurko nila guys. Still small. Yeah. You will get something. Aha, you've been taking. Wala man. Muna nakalami sa iya day kay kuan ba? Organic. Pero lang ko puro ko. Tilang kay nakitaan nga kurko. Saan naman ni lata naman siguro ni. This.
Okay, you can take me. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah, but it's already, then it will die soon.
No, very much.
Aha. They will grow. Aha, okay. Wala na. Lamig kinagisahon ba sardinas ba? Katong nagisa ko kuan binsa kato akong tinanom kay pila ra ta ka buok. 5 ra ka buok na kuha. Malasa. Yes, not on Rita. Yan, this. Wala na siya guys, papatay na. Ay, ano yun? Tara na. So ito yung nakuha namin guys. Tadang! Ito marami kami nakuha. Marami kaming bit-bit. Ang dami pa niyan. Saan yung pumpkin mo nakuha? Diyan? Yung pumpkin na hindi man yung tumubo, day. Ay, ito, day, oh. Oh. Wala pa ninigulang ba? Apa? Nagis, pero pag yun siya nigulang. Tara pa. Tadang! Tara pa. Aha. Aha. Aha, aha. Tara pa. Pero wala pa siya ng gulang. Di pa siya pwede pakuha. Ha, daghan pa. Tadang. No. Ay, katong. Ay, katong puti. Ito. Hala, kalindot kayo. Woo, flower. Dako pa na siya, guys. Ah, the berries. Eating the berries. Okay. So, hanggang dito na lang, guys, ang ating farmer. So, next time ulit. Bye-bye. Thank you. Please subscribe.